Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix your Toyota Sequoia backdoor latch. First, let's figure out what's going on. Does the latch feel stuck, or is it completely unresponsive? Check for anything physically blocking the door from closing properly, like debris. Also, make sure your exterior and interior door handles move freely and return to their original position without any sticking. Often, a sticky latch just needs a little lubrication. Grab a can of penetrating oil and spray it generously into the latch mechanism on the door itself. Work the latch open and closed a few times to help the lubricant get into all the moving parts. While you're there, take a close look at the striker plate on the vehicle's body. Is it bent or loose? If the striker plate looks misaligned, you might be able to adjust it. Using the correct size wrench or screwdriver, slightly loosen the two screws holding the striker plate in place. Make small adjustments, moving it inward or outward or up and down, just a tiny bit. Then, tighten the screws and test the door. Repeat this process until the door latches smoothly. If these easy steps don't solve your problem, it might be time for a new latch assembly or perhaps a professional inspection. Sometimes, internal components can break, which is a more complex fix. Remember, a properly functioning back door latch is crucial for your safety and the security of your belongings. Don't hesitate to consult a mechanic if you're unsure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.